In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to linked debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily link a debit card on PayPal and transfer any amount of money that you have on your PayPal balance to that debit card. So first, you will have to link the debit card. To do this, open the wallet application or go over to the website at paypal.com. Sign into your account, go over to the wallet page, and in here you will be able to add banks and cards. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that your view might look different than mine, and even though our apps may be different visually, the process is still going to be the same. All that you have to do is tap the option to add a bank or a card, and then choose debit card. Now, enter your card information. You can manually input the card number, expiration date, and security code, or scan your card using your camera, whichever option you prefer. Once you include all of the details about the card and it is successfully linked to PayPal, you will be able to transfer the money directly from your account. So all that you have to do after you link your card under your wallet is to tap on your PayPal balance and you will find the transfer option. Immediately upon selecting transfer, you will now see the main ways in which you will be able to withdraw the money from your balance. In there, you will usually select transfer from or transfer to a bank. However, you should also be able to select a debit card under the list of available banks or payment methods. So all that you have to do is choose the option to transfer and then browse through the payment methods available. You should see your debit card listed as long as you linked it properly to PayPal, and immediately upon selecting it, you will be able to transfer any amount of money outside of your PayPal balance. So just review the transfer, make sure that you select the debit card as the payment method where you are going to be transferring the money to, and you will be able to get this done either on the website or the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to linked debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.